Welcome back to another very exciting episode of Modded Motors. Today, if you guys can tell from the thumbnail, we're going to be talking about the 2024 headlights, and today's going to be an interactive post. You guys get to decide if the headlights stay, if the headlights go, what we kind of do in this, and I'll kind of get a little bit more into that. But before we jump into the video, I kind of want to talk a little bit about our last video, the fender, GTM style carbon fender install. So those of you guys who have been longtime viewers know that I share my entire life with you guys. I shared my entire marriage. Obviously, I've been married the whole entire time I've been filming. I shared the first birth of my child, and now my second child, which was born October 30th. I put a whole bunch of effort into making some videos for you guys to kind of watch while I was away. On October 31st, I released this fender video, which got some mixed reviews, which I kind of expect when I release a video. Some people like the mod, some people don't. That's okay. But for whatever reason, a lot of you guys are really concerned with my finances. That's totally okay. I think I'm one of the only YouTubers that tells you how much I make off of all of my products that are on the Modded World site. So I tell you guys how much I make off of you know, the auto start and stops. Some of the people have messaged me directly because they want to start their own merch. How much I make off of my merch. I've given countless stuff away, you know, tunes, accessories, memorabilia, merch. I've always been very transparent of what is sponsored, what is given to me, you know, what's been free, what's not. And for whatever reason, I still get the question of how I spend my money and how this channel functions. Most notably, people comment, you should have bought a QV versus a 2.0. I know I get those questions all the time, and I'm more than happy to answer them. I share pretty much everything with you guys, and if you guys come and ask me, I'm not trying to hide it. I'm happy to be transparent with you guys because this isn't some cash grab for me. If you guys go look at YouTubers that have like 10,000 subscribers, you know, they're not getting 1,000, 2,000 of their viewers back. For our channel, we usually get about anywhere from like a 20% return because we only have about 5,000 subscribers, which is fairly good for a smaller channel. Some of you guys that I DM on a regular basis, like I say, I tell you guys this because I don't see you guys as just random people. I see a lot of you guys as people that I know, that I've built a relationship with over the last 3 years. But again, for whatever reason, people, when I give that information, come and try to attack the channel, and that's what happened last week. And I'm totally okay with opinions because I know some people didn't like the fenders. That's totally okay. The whole point of Modded Motors is to be different, right? Our page, the Modded Alpha group, one of the first things it says is like, hey, if you're gonna try somebody's build, you're not welcome in this group. Because I'm a firm believer of everybody has different tastes, everybody has different aesthetics. That's what makes the modified community, you know, unique. Every build is different, every taste is different, and that's how the concept of this, right? Some people got into my comments and you know, they were very negative. Somebody was a longtime viewer of this channel, and I pretty much banned them because one, I just had my son and I didn't really want to deal with negative comments, and it got negative because they started name calling and stuff like that. I just don't want to be a part of that. So I say that to tell you guys are more than welcome to express your opinions. This whole episode right now is gonna be based off of you sharing your opinions, but just be respectful, right? That's what always my channel has been about, being nice, being respectful, appreciating other people's builds, uniqueness. That's what makes this whole community a community, right? Especially when I share transparent information with you guys, to hold that against me, start totaling up my finances and start saying like, hey, well, you should, with this amount of money that you made X, Y, and Z, you should have had enough money. I'm totally okay. I'm not stressed for any money. I've been buying cars since I was 14 years old. I've had over 30 plus cars in my lifetime. I don't need help with my finances, but I just don't need the negativity and the name calling and stuff like that. That's just where it's not going to be acceptable, and I will ban you from the channel, as much as I hate to do it. The people that leave positive comments or reach out to us in our DMs, you guys are the ones that we do this for. We greatly appreciate your guys' support. And again, jumping back into this is going to be an interactive post. Alpha Mods, if you guys don't know who Alpha Mods, here's his page. Really cool channel. I highly suggest you guys checking him out. He has switched to the American US spec of the 2024 headlights, and he has 2024 Euro spec headlights for sale that I pretty much have dibs on, and my name is on them. He sent me out this headlight to do a test fit to see if I like them. That is what this video is. So you're not going to get any programming or any of the, you know, programming or repinning or any of that in this video. This is fully aesthetic. If you guys want it, I will go ahead and purchase them, and I will put them on the car. If you guys don't like it, well, I still might purchase them, but I may not put them on this car. So it's your guys' choice and your guys' decision. But again, to those of you who are gonna jump into the video, I don't wanna make this a negative video. I just wanna come out and say, again, let's be positive, respectful. I share a lot of my life. I share a lot of stuff with you guys. Don't use that against me, because then it'll make me as a content creator just not want to share that type of stuff, and it'll just be more informative. And I don't want to make that this channel, because that's you know, that sucks. It takes away from the authenticity of it, and you know, the connection that we build through this experience, if you will. Posted a teaser on Instagram with the headlights, and it got really good feedback. So I'm really leaning towards it. So if you guys really don't want this, it's not now or never. You guys paid for the entire GTAM kit. You guys have funded a lot of this. This is your time to shine and give your opinions and let me know. Do we do it? Do we not do it? Your choice. But again, thank you guys for watching another one of our videos. We're going to cut into the uninstall. To remove all the brackets right up here, you're going to use a T55. If you can see that, T55. And there's like, what, 6 of them? The last two 10 millimeters are right here. And I know what some of you guys are going to say. Ricky, just do whatever makes you happy. And most likely I will. I'm highly considering running the 24 headlights, but you know, if there's an overwhelming response to not running them, then I'll keep it stock. You guys have helped put this car together, and I'm gonna let you guys decide. Now, I will say that I was a huge advocate against it. Was not the biggest fan of them. Now having them in person, I don't know if I'm just biased now. They look really cool. And then the tab is really easy to get to. Very confusing if you've never done it. Stick your hand in and you pull up on the lever, which pulls it out. If you guys were able to see that, I know it's hard to see. And then the last 10 mil is up here. That's pretty much the last one that holds it in. I don't know. I think the new headlight's kind of the move. I don't know if you guys can see the cool Alfa Romeo. There's a little clover inside. You see that little clover inside there? Just a nice attention to detail. Oh man, that's kind of cool. You know, nothing wrong with it. Give you guys the front view. Oh, I don't know, guys. I'm kind of digging this. I don't know if I just feel like that because I have them and I want to run them and it's newer, or if it actually looks better. I feel like it looks more aggressive, especially with the hood. What do you think? Thoughts, opinions? I said I don't know if I'm just like if I'm just feeling it because it's new and like I have it, or like if it actually looks better. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Because I mean, like in my opinion, it looks really good. That little cool little clover inside of here. I love that they're Euro, so like this is blacked out and you don't have like a amber light. I don't know, guys.
They have the little serpent.
Oh, really?
Yeah, right here. You see it like in there?
That goes hard. Okay, I didn't see that.
That's cool.
Attention to detail, my friends.
Oh, the clover. Yeah, okay.
Okay, here, one shot from the side. One shot from the side. I don't know.
I see what you mean, though.
Like, am I just hyped because it's new, or does it look better? You guys decide. You guys choose the build.
Don't get me wrong. I like it. I think I was expecting more.
I mean, they're just a lot. What else? Which one's on dance for you or what?
Well, I mean, I know, but like, I think I was expecting it to like
do a little dance.
Yeah.
If you haven't put it in the comments already, go down in the comments. This one. What do you guys choose? Let us know to help us go through and decide. If you guys haven't checked out Alpha Mod's video, definitely go check him out. He kind of shows you more of the process. And if you need help with him programming, he can program it for you guys. Again, we're just not keeping this one in 100% right now. We're gonna remove it and go back to the OEM until the other one comes in. But you guys get the general idea of how it goes. this is where we're gonna end today's video. Hopefully you guys get a good shot of how these will look on the car. And before you guys ask me, because I know you guys are gonna ask where you can buy the 2024 headlights, you guys already know that my number one stop shop for anything Alfa Romeo OEM or aftermarket is Alfissimo. So you get the 2024 US spec from Alfissimo. If you guys need help with programming or any repainting, just some knowledge, you guys can reach out to Alpha Mods. One thing I forgot to mention in the intro is if you guys want me to break down everything that we made this year from the Modelware website and all the parts that we sold, we could do a full breakdown at the end of the year before the next year starts, during our if we do Vlogmas again, during the Vlogmas vlogs, just for any small business owners or people that want to know how the channel really works or how YouTube works for us. Some people might be interested in that, some people may not. And then we are very, 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 very close to 1 million views on YouTube. We've hit 1 million views on every other platform except for YouTube. We're about 100,000 views short. Once we hit it, we're going to be very, very happy. Regardless of how you feel about the channel, indifferent or happy, 1 million views on every platform is pretty special to us. Again, because we didn't know how far we're going to take this, and to say 1 million people have seen our content or bought alphas because of us is a really cool moment for us. Help us get to that 1 million views. Make sure you share our videos, like it, subscribe, and help out our channel so we can get some more viewers towards Alfa Romeo content. As always, thank you guys for watching. If you guys want to shop Modelware to enter into the carbon fiber mirror giveaway, make sure you guys do that, and we'll see you guys next Tuesday. Welcome back to MTV Cribs. This is Modern Motors Place. How do you admit when you've taken it too far? This is not an episode of Hoarders. This is MTV Cribs. Remember that.
Yeah, there you go.
So, welcome to my parts room. It's safe to say I have a slight bit of a problem. Carbon fiber hoods for days, spoilers, side skirts, authentic side skirts, real parts, fake parts, everything in between. I am showing you this as not to throw myself under the bus and everyone's going to come into the comments and say I'm a hoarder. I'm not a hoarder. I just have accumulated way too many parts over the few years that I've been doing this. And I had intent for all these parts at some point.
You know that's what hoarders say on the show.
And it kind of lost its sauce there. But anyways, the reason I'm telling you guys this is because a lot of these things are going to be for sale. But I've had a lot of people flake out. Please don't message us if you're not serious. Somebody had bought this hood for 3 months. They were going to commit to the payment. I gave them time to pay. Then they never came through. So don't be that person because it's really annoying. Yeah. Do not judge me because I'm sure your parts room looks worse than mine.
I don't think people have a parts room.
Mine's temperature controlled. So it's,
Stop.
These are classy parts.